Hello friends, welcome to Rocket Max, and today we are diving into the hottest release from Google, the Google Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. These phones are packed with insane features, next level cameras and the most powerful hardware ever seen from Google. Now about the design and colors. First up, the design. Both the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL screams premium with a polished metal frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for ultimate scratch resistance, and the color options absolute fire. First is porcelain, clean and classy. Second is rose quartz, elegant and unique. Third is hazel, subtle yet stylish. Fourth is obsidian, sleek and bold. Google nailed it with these finishes. It's luxury in your hands. Now talk about the display. Smooth and stunning. Pixel 9 Pro comes with a 6.3-inch Super Actua LTPO OLED with 495 ppi crystal clear. Pixel 9 Pro XL, a massive 6.8-inch Super Actua LTPO OLED with 486 ppi for the ultimate impressive experience. Both phones hit up to 3000 nits peak brightness, meaning even in direct sunlight you will have no trouble seeing your screen. Smooth display tech brings adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Let's about the performance. Beast mode activated, powering these beasts. Google's Tensor G4 chip, faster, smarter and more efficient than ever. 16GB RAM multitasking is going to be insane. About the storage, 256GB on both models, and the XL goes up to 512GB for those who need that extra space. Combine that with the Titan M2 security chip and you got a military grade protection right in your pocket. Let's about the camera. 50 megapixel wide camera plus 48 megapixel ultra wide plus 48 telephoto camera. Triple lens perfection. 5x optical zoom plus 30x super res zoom. Get crazy close without losing quality. Macro focus plus night sight plus astrophotography mode. From low light to the stars, this camera system covers it all. 42 megapixel selfie camera, ultra wide for those perfect group selfies. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL are redefining mobile photography. This is DSLR level quality in your pocket. That's about the battery and charging. All the power. Google didn't hold back on battery either. Pixel 9 Pro 4700 mAh battery, up to 55% charge in only 30 minutes. Pixel 9 Pro XL 5060 mAh battery, up to the 70% charge in 13 minutes only. Extreme battery saver gives you up to 100 hours of use. Let's about the video. Cinematic experience, absolute Hollywood vibes. 8K at 30 fps plus 4K at 60 fps. Ultra smooth, ultra sharp, super res zoom video up to 20x. Even zoomed in, the details stay crisp. Audio magic, eraser plus night sight video. Low light adds, it's have a low light and background noise cancellation system. From the action shots to nighttime lapses, Google Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL are turning you into filmmaker. Now about the security and durability. Built to last. Security. Google got you covered with titanium M2 security chip, end-to-end encryption, 7 years of security and OS updates with IP68 water and dust resistance. Let's about the connectivity. Connectivity is really fast and reliable. Google Pixel phones comes with a Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC and 5G. The top tier connectivity no matter where you are. my final thoughts on this phone. So there you have it. The Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL are here to dominate the flagship market. Insane performance, best in class cameras, all-day battery, and the cleanest Android experience you can get. Loving the Pixel 9 series? Hit the like button, drop a comment, and press the bell icon for more content and details. Please subscribe to the Rocket Tech Max. Thank you.